Hey guys, welcome back to Life of Randy. I'm Randy. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel as I drop new videos every single week. And make sure to hit the notification bell so that you are notified every single time I drop a new video. It could be once or twice a week, so make sure that you have that notification bell on so that you are notified. In this video, I am going to be unboxing, or I should say unbagging, a wig that I found on Amazon. It is a 20-inch wig that is less than $100. So I wanted to show you guys if I've been scammed or not. Apparently it has very good reviews, so I'm not too worried about it, but I don't know if you guys have bought wigs from Amazon before, but the thing is, when you buy a wig from Amazon and you look at the images, it's literally the same images from the other wigs on Amazon. So I usually go by what the reviews say, what the people buying the wigs are posting, because sometimes they'll post with pictures. So I was convinced enough to go ahead and buy this wig, and obviously if it's trash, I'm definitely returning it. So without further ado, I'm going to show you guys what I got on Amazon. And of course, I'll have the description of the wig, the link of the wig below. That way you guys can go and check it out. I was able to kind of like pick which length I wanted, and I already have a 24-inch wig from Amazon actually. And if you haven't watched that video, please make sure to click here, and I'll also have it linked below. And it was a great wig. So I really do want to have another great wig from Amazon so that I can vouch for them. This is a different company though, so I'm not really sure how that's gonna go, but I'm very excited to show you guys what I got. I got this package a couple of days ago and I haven't opened it because I really wanted my reaction to be the one that you're about to see. So here's the wig. This is the bag that it comes in. I like that it came in a satin bag. This bag though is a little harder than the other one, so I don't think that it's satin. I think it's like a plastic satin mix. I don't know, but I think these are great to keep wigs in, especially if you don't have much space in your closet for wig heads. I really like when companies sand their wigs in bags already, and it's great for traveling, it's great for storage, so I'm always up for these bags. I really don't remember anything when I was ordering this. I literally saw it and I was like, ooh, 20-inch wig, less than 100. Let me get it. Okay, so this is the package that comes inside. So you get 2 rollers. These are, I don't want to lie to you, I don't know how, like, the size of these. I don't really use them. I don't think I've ever used them before, but it comes with 2 rollers. Next thing that it comes with are lashes. These are very like straight lashes. And then a nice little edge brush here. Nice brush for edges. Feels decent. I feel like it's a lot thicker than the other ones that I've seen before. And then you have the comb part here. I still don't know how to do edges, so I seldom use these. The next thing that it comes with, I'm not sure if this was to hold everything together or if this is like a band that can be added. I usually like these to already be sewn into the wig. If you haven't seen my video about putting on the easiest wig that I got from Love Me Hair, I explained there that the bands actually help to hold the wig in place for me, just because I don't have that hair in the back or the braids or the hive or anything for me to stick the combs in. So I really do like those bands when they're inside the wig. I don't really know how to put them in. Next thing is a wig cap. Again, not for me. Pretty cool though. It comes with two. This is 2 wig caps. That's pretty cool. I don't think that I've ever gotten 2 wig caps. Of all the wigs that I bought, it was always 1. So that's cool. Now the moment of truth, the wig. Oh, hello. It's supposed to be a straight wig, and I see kind of a curl at the end. So let's see, and it says here 20 inches. So it comes in a little mesh packaging. As I said, this is a 20-inch wig. It was less than $100. It is human hair. It can be colored. You can add heat to it. It can be bleached, and it has baby hairs. And I'll show you everything that comes with it inside. First impression of the hair, it feels very nice. This is supposed to be 150% density. However, it feels very, very light. So, this is the hair. It has a little bit of a curl to it, so I guess I'll need to plug in my flat iron and see what this looks like. But before I do that, I'm gonna show you the inside. So it has a 4x4 lace here. It would have been nice if the lace went out a little bit more, at least like around the front, but whatevs. It was cheap, so I'm not gonna complain too much. It has 3 combs, 1 on each side, 1 on each temple, and then 1 in the back, none of which I'll be using, unfortunately. So this is what the wig looks like without changing anything. Right out the box, this is the wig. I feel like I'm in some kind of like 80s band with like the hair here. I guess that's the baby hair. And the wig feels really good. It has a little bit of shedding happening. Already got a couple hairs off of me. So that's not usually something that I like, but it's very, very, very minimal. So I guess that's still okay. So right now off camera, I'm gonna go and straighten the wig. I'll cut the lace, and then I'll be right back to show you guys the final product. I'll have the link in the description below. That way it'll be even easier for you guys to find it. Right now, I wanted to do a little pause on the straightening to show you guys the difference. It really went quick. I believe I did maybe like 1 or 2 strokes with the flat iron, and it went straight very nicely. It's not giving weird vibes. Like, it's still pretty nice. And then this is how it came out, and then this is what it looks like after I flat iron it. Now, I do realize that you can kind of see the lace even after you cut it. So I'm gonna go in and just color it a little bit. So when I come back, I'll show you what the final result of the wig is like. I am back. This was a little bit harder than I thought. After I cut the lace and I kind of like colored it a little bit, but I still had those, I had some flyaways, and also I had this little fringe that I needed to cut into baby hair. So this is what you get. Do not come for me. This is not what I usually do. I don't know how to do baby hairs, so I had to improvise and see what I could do. So if this is done the wrong way, don't come for me. I'm learning. Please and thank you. But this is the final wig. Let me not just throw it around. Okay, so I would say for a pro, it would be the price of the wig. One of the cons is the fact that it's very thin, it's very light, but I do like the fact that I can play with it a little bit. Another con is that it sheds a lot more than my other wigs. I'm not really sure why it sheds so much, but I would say those are the two cons that I have for this wig. I think the price is very nice. I think that what you can do with the wig is also very good. The length of the wig, again, this is a 20-inch wig, so I appreciate it. And I wanted to share the specs of the wig with you guys. So this is a 20-inch glueless straight lace front wig with human hair. It says that it's been pre-plucked, but it doesn't really feel like it, so I might, you know, venture into doing that a little bit, just because it feels very full over here, and it just, I feel like it looks a little bit weird. It may be my bootleg baby hairs that are not helping as well, but it says that it's pre-plucked and bleached. I'm not really sure. It looked different than the other wigs that I've had that said that they were bleached and pre-plucked, but you get to see it on my head. It says 150% density, 4x4 closure wig with baby hair. This is Brazilian virgin hair. So I'm not really sure. Half of those things are true. The other half I'm not too sure. But I think for the price, honestly, $100, well, less than $100, I think it's worth it, just because for that price, for this length, you would probably get a synthetic wig, which you wouldn't be able to do much with anyways. So I think that this is a good bargain. This is a great wig to have if you're on the go, and I think that if you know how to do baby hairs, I think that was like the main thing for me, just because I don't know how to do baby hairs. I'm not really sure how to fix this part here. I think that I'll have to like pluck it a little bit more before I can wear it again, or if I do wear it again, I'll just, you know, probably wear a headband or something. I don't know why I'm so afraid of baby hairs, but anyways, I would say yes to this wig. I know I sound not so confident, but it's just because of this part. If it wasn't for that, I think that it would be a lot easier to make my decision. But altogether, I like the wig. I think it's nice and light for summer, and I'm gonna be wearing it often, so you'll get to see it. I like wigs that I can just pop on and not have to worry too much about. So this is definitely one of them. I was a bit worried about the fact that it doesn't have the rubber inside, or the band inside, but it holds pretty tightly. Like, I can move in it, like it's not going anywhere. So I think that even without the lace, the band in the back of the wig, I think it's just fine. This is my, I want to say this is my third Amazon wig that works out of 4 that I've bought so far. So I would recommend it. I think that it's a nice wig and you should try it out. And I'll have the link below. Let me know what you guys think about this wig. Thank you so much for watching my video. I just wanted to pop on here to do a nice quick unboxing of this 20-inch human hair 150% density wig from Amazon that cost me less than $100. So altogether, I'm really happy with the wig. Thank you guys for watching the whole video. Please make sure to like it, share it with other people who are skeptical about buying wigs online. The link will be in the description, so that way they can check it out themselves. I'm not getting paid for it. I'm just sharing what I'm finding. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you are notified every time that I drop a new video, whether it's about wigs, alopecia, my belly, just so that you know what I'm up to on Life of Randy. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you on the next video. Mwah.